Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all having an amazing day so far. We really wanted to try to change the layout for this guest bedroom set and did some rearranging. But unfortunately, because of the two windows placed oddly, it was truly complicated to do so. Thank goodness for my hubby and our son for their patience moving the whole bed around, but we ended up with the original bedroom set layout as before. Fun fact about this bed frame holds value to me as it's been with me for 17 years. Before we continue with this guest bedroom makeover, I'm so excited to share with you all this product that I have collaborated with my friends from Flexispot. Thank you Flexispot for partnering with me for part of this video. Flexispot has sent me their adjustable bed frame base with massage in their queen size base. Let me tell you guys, this has to be one of our favorite items in this room, so much so that our son has taken over this adjustable base to move it to his room. Upon receiving this adjustable base, we loved how it was packed so well, which is so important to us, knowing that they have took their times and details making sure that it's packaged well to keep all motors and wires safe and secured. The hubby also loved how extremely easy for him to set this adjustable base. Everything is already set up. All that was needed is to hook the wires up, which was so simple and easy, and attach the legs and sidebars to the frame. This adjustable base is customizable with comfort in mind. It can adjust from 0 to 60 degrees head and 35 degrees foot incline. You can work, eat, or watch TV in bed with a more comfortable position with this base. It's convenient and thoughtful design that caters to all ages with its elder-friendly remote, side pocket, retaining bar, and under bed light. They even thought of putting a flashlight on the remote control for those nights when you need help finding something in the dark, which you will see later on in this video. We slept in this room the night we set the adjustable base up to try it out, and hubby loved the massage feature so much he slept like a baby. The massage feature has 3 massage modes, and the intensity level can be adjusted from 0 to 6. It also has a massage time that can be set to 10, 20, or 30 minutes with automatic turn-off feature. This bed frame base helps relieve snoring, decrease back pain, reduce swelling, improve heart health and breathing, and alleviate acid reflux. If you also want to obtain a better sleep and comfort quality, I will provide all the info for Flexispot on the description box below. Now let's continue with the guest bedroom refresh. A lot of the decorations that you will see in this bedroom I shopped from our home. You'd be surprised with what you already have at home that you can turn to something new and special by simply using it in another room in your home. If you want to see how I've done that, then please continue watching till the end and for the final reveal. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed this video and gave you some inspiration for some guest bedroom or any room with the decoration ideas that I shared. If it did, please give this video a like by hitting that thumbs up button. I'd sincerely very much appreciate it. If you have not subscribed yet, I hope today you consider doing so. I share glam interior decorating, our home renovations, DIYs, and so much more. If that is your cup of tea, I'd love to have you be part of the glam family. Don't forget to share this video. Remember, sharing is caring. Again, thanks so much for watching. I hope to see you again in the next one. Have a blissful day or night wherever you are. Stay healthy. God bless you all abundantly. Till next time. Bye!